Hey guys, it's Yvette and I'm here to open up my Liberty Fabric League box. It's a mouthful. Here is the box. It's quite big actually. I was so excited whenever this came in. I love the Liberty. I always am dying for me to just be able to open it once it comes in. But of course I have to video, so I have to find time to video. And then once I get to that, I'm ready to go. So let's pop open the tape and see what's inside. Alrighty. There's a bit of tape here, which is good. I want to like make sure that my stuff is secure. All right, when we open it up, we see this inside. It's all very pink. Yay! Okay, so here is our card inside, and the note that she always writes to us on the back, it says, "Dear Yvette, this means that you all are beautiful, loving hearts and busy hands. Love, Julie." It says, "Of life's two chief prizes, beauty and truth, I found the first in a loving heart and the second in a laborer's hand." And that was written by Khalil Gibran. I'm not sure if I'm even saying that right, but that's a lovely quote. I like that. And I'm not going to look at anything else because I want to be surprised. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm just going to start right on top. We have a little template of some kind, and it says Liberty Fabric League from the Intrepid Thread. Okay, I like that. And when I go back to look at the card, I'll see what purpose she wanted us to use this for, because I love it. I would just hang this on the wall and be very happy with it. I'll be honest with y'all. I know y'all think I'm nuts, but I would. I like it. Okay, now I got another one of these. Did y'all see me eat the first one in the Tilda box? Okay, I'm going to save this one because I have literally in the past 15-20 minutes just ate one. So I don't need to eat another one right now, although I really want to. Anyway, let's keep going. Okay, so I'm going to hold off on the fabric till the end because I always like to save the best to last. And I mean, who wouldn't think that that's the best? Okay, I'm going to pull this out first. It's a card. Oh, good. This is from Jen Kingwell Designs. This is the postcard project number 4. And so we get the templates on the back to make this quilt. And, okay, so, and it tells you how to do it. It's jelly roll friendly, it says. That's good. Okay, so this is the second one from Jen Kingwell that we've gotten in the Liberty box. So I'm excited to have these. I don't know when I'm going to get to them, but I love the Jen Kingwell stuff. In fact, I have some of her patterns in my Etsy shop. So if you're interested in seeing what her patterns are like, you can go and check that out. And check out, I'm pretty sure she has a great website. Go check out Jen Kingwell. Okay. So there's a little wrapped box. I'm going to kind of wait on that. I'm going to pull out this other stuff first that I can tell exactly what it is. This is a small Olfa mat. And it looks like it's like it's 7.5 by 5.5. All right. So we have that little, and if you are an English paper piecer, this is like perfect size for you. If you're doing all these little cuts and stuff, it's perfect. You can keep it right next to you and you're all done. Okay. The next thing I see is a Gypsy Quilter felted wool pressing mat. And this is an 8.5-inch square, which is probably why you got this big box this time. I mean, I'm saying it's a big box. It's kind of a big box. Bigger than usual, I think. Oh my goodness, who knows? Anyway, in my mind, it was bigger, which was like, oh, what's in there? Okay, so got a wool pressing mat. Can never have too many of those. All right, and now I've got this little wrapped gift. This is the last thing before we go through the fabric. I love things that look like a little present. Okay, so I'm going to take off the bow. And here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I am super stoked about it, you guys. Oh my gosh, look. Is that not gorgeous? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's got like a leather case. And oh my goodness. Look, they're like kind of long too. They're not like little snips. They're kind of like a mid, what is that? Like 2.5, 3 inches? I mean, I'm just looking at this part. I don't know how they really measure scissors. But oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That is so nice, Julie. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I can see why you did that. Oh my goodness, you got me. Holy cow. Okay, let's get to the fabric. Because it is Liberty after all. And here is our little package of Fat Quarters. I got the Fat Quarters. You have many options that you can choose from. Okay. And this is Liberty Tana Lawn. Okay, so it is lawn fabric, which means it's the feel of it is thinner, but it's very strong, very lovely fabric. So I've had people ask like if you can quilt with it or if it's just for clothing. You can absolutely quilt with this. Absolutely. Yes, you could use it for clothing as well. Yes, you could. But it's perfectly fine in quilting. Just wanted to sort of clear that up. And okay, here we go. I'm going to open. She always puts it in 2 little packages. So I'm going to open one. Oh my gosh, and it feels so nice. I just put some art gallery fabric in my Etsy shop. And while, listen, I'd be the first to tell you, it's not Liberty. But it's so soft too. Oh my goodness, it's lovely. And I love just touching it and cutting it for people. Okay, so here is the first one. And I'm trying to see if you can see. Okay, yeah, so there's little birds in it. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm trying to see where the birds are. Okay, just look. See if you see birds. And then there's little strawberries as well. Little birds, little strawberries. And really to like use this for, like there's a pattern that we just got in Tilda. So if you go and watch that video, you'll see. And those little nesting bowls, I can just see that with Liberty as well. Oh, that's so pretty. And it feels lovely. Okay, I love these bright colors. Y'all know this is me. I'm not sure about the flowers. Y'all know me and flowers. The big ones like this kind of, I'm on the edge of my comfort zone, right? I just, but it's Liberty. I know I probably sound like such a ding dong whenever I say that, but it's Liberty. It doesn't matter. I love feeling it. It doesn't, you know what? Like, honestly, if I don't like the print, somebody's going to like the print and I can make something lovely for someone. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, and here's the next one. I actually kind of like this one. And so, yes, there are flowers on it, but you see how they're smaller. They're more of a, I don't know. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's also like the kind of flower it is. I don't know. You know how like you pull something out and you either like it or you don't like it. And sometimes it's not even that you don't like it, it's that it wouldn't be your favorite, like you wouldn't pick it first. That's kind of where I'm at with a lot of the flower prints. Okay. I keep kind of like pulling it apart too much. Doop. Okay. And when it's soft fabric like that, it tends to kind of cup up on the sides. I just love that. I mean, I love it, but I don't love it. But you know what I mean. Like, you know that it's... Anyway, what's wrong with me? Oh, my goodness. Okay, I like this one, but the next one... Oh, I'm really liking. Oh, my goodness. Okay, so here's this one. And this one... I kind of like. I think it's the type of flower maybe that's on there. I'm really not sure, but I kind of like this one. It's so hard to explain. Like, people are like, oh, Yvette doesn't like flowers. Well, that's not really true. I mean, I'm more likely to not like them. I don't even know why. I don't know. You guys, I love this one. Like, to the ends of earth and back. Look at this is gorgeous. I'm opening the whole thing up because you have to see this. And it's so soft. Oh my goodness. This Tanalon is just gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I just love the whole thing. Look at the one with the little starfish. And look at the one with the tree. And the butterfly, the shell, the egg. Okay, really? I want a bolt of it. I don't think I can afford a bolt of it. Oh my gosh, but you know, it could be on a wish list. I don't even know what this one is. I have no idea what this one is, but I love it, whatever it is. Sometimes whenever I'm looking for, and I think I may have even asked, have we gotten anything like this before? I don't remember. I remember maybe seeing this somewhere, but I don't think it's that we got it in a box. I think we got something else, and I was trying to find out what it was, and then I saw this one, and now that I'm seeing it in person, it's even better, really. Okay, let's move on. I do have a whole nother pack to open. Here's the next one. And I like this one okay. It's okay. I know that sounds bad, but, you know, it's not a huge fan of, like, the darker colors in the background anyway. But I would use this for sure. Okay, so next pack. These are the next 6. And where's it open? Here it is. Eee. Hold up. Look, it's loving me. Okay. I don't know how she gets those in there looking gorgeous like that. She is some talented girl, let me tell you something. Okay, here's the first one in the second pack. You could probably find someplace for this in like a 4th of July type of item. Not sure what it would be, but that's sort of like that. Oh, this one's kind of pretty. I don't, there's no rhyme or reason, guys. This is kind of pretty. I don't know, like those flowers in the background, they're a little bit different. And I like all the variants of blue in this one. That's really pretty. Okay. Ooh, I like this one. Oh, the next one. Okay, look how pretty this is. See that watercolor look? Oh my goodness. I love that. It's got the blues and the purples. Yeah, that's really pretty. Y'all, wait till you see the next one. This is right up my alley. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Okay, well, the next one. The next one is being made up for by this one. Oh my goodness, I'm loving this. I am loving this one right here. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay, here's the next one. I'm sure it's going to feel beautiful because it's Liberty, but this would not be one that I would pick. I do like, I think this might be either a magnolia or it's got kind of a magnolia look to me. I love magnolias, but there's something about the way this one is drawn. It's just not doing it for me. I don't know why. I can't explain. I mean, it's okay. I would use it. I totally would use it. I just, I don't know. Oh my gosh. But you guys, it's Liberty. And I love this last one. Look at the colors in this one. This is totally screaming Yvette too. You guys, I love getting this box. I love getting this box. Even if it's not 100% like a particular fabric, you know, one of the colorways or whatever is not, you know, doing it for me or whatever. You know what? Everybody either, you know, does not like and not like the same things. And these, what I really love about the box that Julie puts together is that there's such an eclectic, like, collection of different things in here. It's almost like there's gonna be something for everybody in what she sends us. And I love that. I mean, I may not like every single one, but you know, that's okay. It's not going to happen that everybody loves everything. And I love it. I love getting this box. Thank you so much, Julie. I love the Liberty. And you always put together such a great box. I'm so happy. And I will see you guys in the next video. Please leave down below if you get the box, if you are loving the box. Any kind of questions or comments you have are very welcome, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.